So as you say, let the first one have X rupees. We'll assume the second one have Y rupees. Give me 100. X plus 100 should be twice as that of Y minus 100. So then it becomes X plus 100 is 2Y minus 200. So what is this equation now going to be? X minus 2Y equal to minus 300. That's my first equation. What about the second form? If you give me 10, that's Y plus 10 should be 6 times as rich as you. That should be X minus 10. So that leaves me with Y plus 10 equal to 6x minus 60. Rearranging the factors, I'll carry the Y to that side and 60 to this side. 6x minus Y equal to 70. That's my second equation. 6x minus Y equal to 70. So we'll keep the first equation as it is. X minus 2Y equal to minus 300. We'll leave it as it is. Second equation will multiply with 2. That makes us 12x minus 2Y equal to 140. Again we'll subtract, so the signs change. Terms gets cancelled. Minus 11x is minus 440. Then x is 40. If x is 40, then my y, the amount with the second person, is going to be 6x minus 70. That is 6 times 40 minus 70. 240 minus 70, that should be. So first person has 40 rupees and second person has 170 rupees. If you would have given 100 rupees to the first, then it would be 140 rupees and the second person is left with only 70 rupees. First one 140, which is double that of the money left with Y, that is 70. Shall we move to the next problem? Now this is also same like the last but one problem. Two variables, yes, X and Y are present. But the equation is not linear. Two variables are okay, but not linear. So how to convert this to linear and then solve? Arnav?
Sir, will the 6y go to 6? Xy go to 6? Cross
And then it will
multiplication.
be product term. That is not linear also. X into Y is a second degree factor. So cross multiplying will only increase the power. Unnecessarily complicated factor. Separate the denominator for both the factors. 2x by xy plus 5y by xy equal to 6. Second equation also 4x by xy minus 5y by xy equal to minus 3. Now if I observe, in one of the term x cancels and other term y cancels. Now I am left with two new equations. 2 times 1 by y plus 5 times 1 by x equal to 6. And the second equation becomes 4 times 1 by y minus 5 times 1 by x is minus 3. Still, two variables x and y are present, but the problem is they are no more linear. Still, they are not converted to linear. So here I'll create two variables. Let some a is 1 by y and my b is 1 by x. Then the first equation became 2a plus 5b is 6. And the second equation became 4a minus 5b equal to minus 3. Now the rest of the problem I'm sure you can do. I directly add these two, I'll get 6a equal to 3 or a is 1 by 2. If I carry a here, then 2 times 1 by 2 plus 5 times b is 6. So 5b became 5. B became 1. But A and B are not my variables. My A is 1 by Y. So my Y becomes 1 by A, which is 2. And X becomes 1 by B, which is 1. If the following equations hold simultaneously for X and Y, then find the value of P. There are actually three variables, X, Y, P also. Don't worry about P first. What does he mean when he says all three equations are satisfied simultaneously? The same X and Y that comes from first and second equations should also satisfy the third one. So in the third one, once I replace my X and values which I get from first and second, the only one unknown that is left is this variable P there. So first focus on getting X and Y from the first two equations. X plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y equal to 8. Tell me what are the X and Y values from these two equations. Then I'll introduce you one method which will directly give you answer, but a little confusing. So always write the equation in the first form. That is 3x plus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. And second equation also you convert to that form only. 4x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Follow me very clearly. And careful while writing this. You write three equations like this. X equal to, y equal to, 1 equal to. These are two unknowns, x, y. Last one is a constant, so I wrote it as 1. Now what you do is, for writing x part, remove the x factors. Remove them. They are not there on the board. Once you remove x parts, their numbers remaining are 7, 5, minus 3, minus 8, right? Just cross multiply them. 7 into minus 8. What is this cross product? Minus 56. Minus of the other cross product, 5 into minus 3. That is minus 15. So minus of minus is plus 15. Understood? How I wrote x coefficient in the denominator. Remove the x terms. Remove the x terms. For the remaining factors, write the cross product. 7 minus 8 minus 3, 5. Cross multiply them. 7 into minus 8 is minus 56. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. So minus of minus 15. Now same thing you do it for y. Remove the y terms. Y is not there. What are the terms remaining? 3, 5, 4, minus 8. Cross product. Into minus 8 is minus 24. 4 minus of 4 into 5 is 20. Is 1 by, so remove the constant now. When you remove the constant, what are the coefficients remaining? 3, 7, 4, minus 3. Cross product. 3 into minus 3 would be minus 9, minus of 4 into 7, that's 28. So what are these denominators? Minus 30, 29, 29 or 39, minus 41, minus 44, minus 37. If I equate my first and last terms, x is going to be minus 41 by minus 37. That is 41 by 37. And y is going to be minus 44 by 37. People don't know this method. So it's p times, that means 41p by 37 is 1 minus y is 44 by 37. 37 minus 44 is minus 7 by 37. So these two cancels. Here p becomes minus 7 by 41.